and the rest of Anisafai crew, it's not here. I'm kidding! They're here, but they don't want to come here. See me? As I can see.
Hi! This is me and Isaika Safitri to make a comfort place for filming. Yeah.
And there she goes. So here we are. We decided to film here, so you can see more of us, more of the background, and more of what in here. I want to.
Oh, hi! This is the last weekend of.
Here's the mirror that we have. So. Hey guys, so we're here, the Anisafai crew.
So for this video, we will talk about our journey being a directioner. Yeah, we're going to talk about how we can't be like other directioners around the world.
Yeah.
Well, maybe you're a directioner watching this. You already get One Direction album.
Yeah,
you're so lucky. Yeah. You can maybe some of you guys have
met One Direction
live
before,
and
maybe get followed by One Direction.
Yeah, get followed by
all of the boys,
or maybe you've got One Direction DVD.
Yeah, Up All Night live tour.
Yeah.
And like some of the One stuff like varsity jacket,
Yeah.
like blazer and stuff, Barbie dolls and some stuff like that. Yeah.
But we are so different
with you guys.
Maybe we can say that we're the most pathetic directioners ever. Don't
Maybe all the directioners, when you guys see this, maybe some of the directioners watch this, you can see, oh my god, they're like the worst directioner ever. Like, yeah, we're directioner,
but we can't because
of some reason.
And yeah, maybe it will be so sad.
Yeah, so we're going to talk about it.
We are directioners, but all that we have is just their songs. And then fun fact, yeah, besides, we downloaded it illegally on the internet. On iTunes or something.
Because first, we have no money to buy it, and second, it's like so hard to download it. Like, yeah, maybe you guys think like downloading songs from iTunes, it's so easy, yeah, for you guys, but for us, it's not as easy as 1, 2, 3, as flipping your hand.
We are not true directioners. Well, at least that you ask anything about One Direction, we can answer that. We are trying to be a true directioner.
So the first thing that you know that directioners are going to do a Wanty camp.
It's held like around the world.
Yeah.
It's from London.
Yeah, in the same day.
And same year.
Yeah.
We want to
be the
crew. We were so excited, but
the first it's not as easy to get there. That's the first. The second, our parents won't let us.
Yeah,
like, you know. I am 16. We are like 16, 17, 15.
Next year is our year to get
next year
is our busy year. Yeah, because we have a lot of exams, a lot of tryouts.
Yeah,
a lot of national exams.
Some important things to do
to get in college.
And the second thing is the gathering. We were so excited, like we are about to buy the tickets. Okay?
Yeah.
They get the permission from their parents. But me, I have like my mother doesn't like me to love One Direction too much because they think that it will bother my school.
Yeah, we can't go to
the
directioners gathering. We really wanted to. We can't.
The third thing is one DVD watch party. Like One Direction did a one DVD watch party. Yeah, they're like so cool. They're watching together the original DVD. Like directioners all over the world.
Worldwide are joining them, but we didn't.
We don't have the DVD.
Yeah, we don't have the DVD yet
because we don't have any money
to buy it.
We don't have money, so we.
Besides,
It's so expensive. I have no idea why it's so expensive.
Yeah, we're very sorry, One Direction. But we we're joining the One TV watch party by watching their updates on Twitter.
Yeah, it was fun actually.
Yeah, that was fun.
The fourth one is not this. We just can see Liam Payne on Tweetcam.
Every tweet cam that Liam does, Liam did every time he did a tweet cam. We cannot watch you guys.
Every time Liam did a tweet cam, we are always at the school.
And then we don't have like an internet access everywhere,
Yeah.
and we don't have any laptop to bring because our laptop is big old.
Fifth.
The fifth. So Indonesia is going to do a
Flash mob.
One Direction.
Yeah. We
So-
just can go again.
Cannot go
because we don't have money. It's like $12 to join.
We don't have money, and our parents didn't allow us to go. We
In
hope that
Indonesia.
they will do meet and greet here in Indonesia. We hope that it will happen. So pray for us, please, because we're.
But this is not a fake story. This is a true story.
This is a true story.
This was a true story from Money to Fight Crew. We hope that they notice for like 1 second or
One Direction, please, and do respect Indonesian Directioners or Asian Directioners. Like we are waiting for you guys. We will try our best to attend.
yeah, we
to
can
that.
do anything. We will
We will do the same thing. We will ask our parents' permission.
Yeah, but begging. We really want to begging our parents to get permission.
Very earlier from the concert, so maybe we can ask for more money from our.
Also, we want to save some money.
Yeah, we just obsessed. She said. Okay, so.
So thank you for watching that video of Anniversary Crew, and I will.
Hi, Kevin.
I hope that you will. Yeah, I hope that you understand.
This is another side of
Another side of Directioners all over the
Indonesia.
world.